Hi there. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're combining two powerful tools, learning English and boosting positivity with daily affirmations. Affirmations are short, positive sentences that you repeat to yourself to build confidence and motivation. They're not only great for improving your mindset, but also an effective way to practice English every day. By the end of this video, you'll have new affirmations to boost your English skills and your positivity. Let's get started. Affirmations help you focus on what you want to achieve. By saying them out loud, you improve your pronunciation, build vocabulary, and train your brain to think in English. Plus, they keep you motivated to reach your language goals. Here are some affirmations you can use to practice English and stay positive. I am improving my English every day. I speak English confidently and clearly. Learning English is fun and easy for me. I understand more English every time I listen. I am not afraid to make mistakes because they help me learn. Repeat these affirmations every morning or before you start studying. Speak out loud. Say each affirmation with energy and confidence. This helps with pronunciation and builds your speaking skills. Write them down. Writing affirmations reinforces them in your mind and helps you practice spelling. Use a mirror. Look at yourself while saying affirmations to boost your confidence and make them more personal. Personalized affirmations are even more powerful. Think about your specific goals and turn them into positive sentences. For example, if your goal is to improve listening, say, I understand spoken English easily and naturally. If you want to learn vocabulary, say, I remember new words quickly and use them in conversations. The key to making affirmations work is consistency. Practice them every day, even for just a few minutes. Over time, you'll notice a difference in your confidence and your English skills. Quick recap. Affirmations help you practice English and stay motivated. Use affirmations like, I speak English confidently and I am improving every day. Speak them out loud, write them down, and use a mirror to boost your confidence. Create personalized affirmations that match your goals. Stay consistent and practice daily to see the best results. Learning English doesn't have to feel like a chore. With affirmations, you can build positivity, improve your skills, and stay motivated to achieve your language goals. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and inspiring English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.